Sounds of Decay 3 is the new album from Thy Catafalque. Chapter 12, Beautiful Dreams come next.
For the avant metal fan, the arrival of a new album from Tamás Kátai, Thy Catafalque, is like a favorite relative coming to visit every couple of years. The musical template is well established. Haunting female vocals, seamless blends of organic and synthetic percussion, bits of explosive heaviness, and at least a couple unpronounceable instruments thrown into the mix.
A lot of the credit needs to go to regulars like Chris Lyons on violin and the voices of Martina Horvath and Gabor Verez, but it's the foreground that gives each album a special flavor. Kátai has found his niche in weaving together the talents of different musicians from around the world on each release, and this largely contributes to the excitement and variation in subsequent Catafalque records. Album number 12 turns out to be ambitious even for a Thy Catafalque record, with contributions from 27 different musicians, not including Tamás. And after extensive study, I noticed that many of them were not on the last or any other Catafalque record.
He actually had a spreadsheet going. Instrumental Vacan starts off with Moog-like synth, like an outtake from a 70s Heap album, before shifting into a quirky melody using folk elements with futuristic production sheen and a slew of wild instruments like the bukazi and the baglama, the flugelhorn and the trumpet. The 6+ minute speedball, Mein Nevo, Omnivorous, is one of the disc's more intense tracks, shifting from sleepy folk lullabies to doomy choral segs to raging black metal intensity, a scalding vocal performance from Balint Bacote, and cray shred leads from Brazilian guitarist Breno Machado are key elements in this colossal track. The title song is absolutely gorgeous, taking off on crisscrossing guitar and synth hooks. Newcomer Gabar Dudas carrying the day with throaty vocal performance that meshes well with the airy main riff, scattershot with wah-drenched leads.
Honestly, I enjoyed this record much more than Alfold because the cupped death metal vocals so prevalent on that album just didn't seem to fit. Plus, there's a lot of female spoken intros this time around, which I apparently am very fond of. I didn't detect a mega crusher like Gombak from the Vedak record, although the song we're going to play for you, the hammering Vaskar, comes pretty close. Mind the dreamy female fasten your seatbelts intro. You always know what's coming with that. At any rate, forward-thinking percussion and futuristic melodic experimentation should be enough to keep any fan of edgy metal more than satisfied. So check this one out. This is Vaskar.
This is the Snaggletooth Extreme Metal Podcast.